doing crazy, fun, educational game.
Yeah, we are really happy about that. Yes.
So basically, in each tray are hidden 7 questions on which you will have 15 seconds to answer. Time will start after you finish reading your question.
Okay.
Who is going first?
Rock, paper.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got ya.
Okay, Alex, find your first question.
I'm so excited.
Okay, go. You got it! Remember, time will start after you finish reading.
Can you say house in Latvian?
Time is going. House in Latvian.
Zemu?
No. Think, baby, think. Finish. No, you didn't earn a
What was
point. Maya.
Oh, because you know Latvian.
Find your question. Yeah, you got it.
I got 10 candies, but Alex ate 5 of them. How many are left?
How many are left?
5.
That's right. Well done. First point goes to Gaby. Okay, Alex.
Easy.
Your turn. Find your question. Where is it? Yes.
I see one on the side. How many sides does an octagon have? That's easy. 8.
Well done.
It's 1,000 times.
Okay, Gaby. Find your question.
I see one already then.
No peeking.
Which animal is the tallest in the world? Answer. Can I answer? Giraffe.
It is giraffe.
Oh, it's whale.
Woo!
No, it's not. Oh, whale is like this tallest. It's not like.
Yeah, tallest means.
Yeah. Like around. She's clever.
Really clever. Well done. Okay, Alex, find your question.
Oh, you found one already. What season follows winter? Spring?
It is. Yay!
Autumn, winter, spring.
I think those questions are too easy for you.
We need like time. Because after spring is summer and...
Next time we're gonna make some harder ones with the map and all kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Not times, I know what.
And times.
Okay.
Okay.
Times 10 is 100.
Wow. Gaby, your turn.
Okay.
Go all in. Go all in. Find your question.
How do you find it? How many colors are in rainbow?
How many?
7.
It is 7.
You put me there.
Okay, Alex, your turn.
If you freeze water, what do you get? Ice.
Yes! Oh my goodness,
It's
you're so
easy.
clever. Okay, Gaby, find your question.
Is it one?
Where is it? Where is it?
She went like a snake. Like, what does a caterpillar turn into? Butterfly.
Yes, it is butterfly. Well done.
Wait, I got harder ones. I'm ready to get mine. Can you name the closest star to Earth? Sun.
It is sun. Well done.
I didn't know. I thought it's the moon, but I just
No,
said
next time we are doing more harder
I said
questions.
sun for no reason. I said sun for no reason, but it is correct.
You was guessing?
Yeah.
Okay, Gaby, what did you make? A snowball from jelly.
Please be a hard one. No. She never gets like hard ones. How many sides does a square have? 4. That's
Correct. Alex, your turn.
Bees create what sweet substance? Honey.
It is honey.
I knew it, I know.
Did you?
Because we have a honey that's a bee sign on it. Alex? Oh.
Okay, Gaby, find your
It's
question.
hard to find the last one because like...
Is your hand stuck there?
Oh my. Can you say school in Russian?
Time is ticking.
I don't know. After
Say.
Gaby doesn't know, I'm gonna tell.
School in Russian.
Skola. Yeah! How many seconds?
Школа, yes!
on the last second.
Okay, Alex, I think your last question.
Where is it?
It's harder to find.
What? That is funny. I know. Gaby, will you help? I would say, can Gaby help me? But suddenly look. Please be the hardest one. I want a really hard one to show you how clever am I. What is England capital city? London.
It is London. Well done. Gaby, find your last question.
Last one. It's gonna be hard. Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, no. It's kind of green. Yeah.
Did you find it? Come on. Yeah, you got it.
What is the fourth letter of the alphabet? D.
It is D. Yay! Well done, guys. So, guys, are you ready to find out the results?
Yes. Yes.
Alex earned 6 points, but Gaby earned 7 points. Next time, I will prepare much more harder questions for you.
But the winner gets a double one.